Hey guys, I'm Wilson.
And I'm Kelly.
And we are on the Mewve. You can probably tell where we are already. So we finally made it down this week, down to Key West. And we're just gonna spend half the day, maybe a little bit more down here, seeing what we can find. So hopefully we can get some good eats and see a few sights. Stay with us.
Sorry, sweating a lot. We've been out 15 minutes.
That's why we stepped in here, so we can get some air conditioning already. It is hot in the summertime if you don't know that. Whew.
It's hot.
My hair is so wet and straight.
Yeah.
All right, so the kids are complaining. So
I said life is too short for us.
So the kids are complaining. We've been shopping, walking. So we're gonna go try a place down on the waterfront, the Half Shell Raw Bar.
Hey guys, I'm waiting for my family. And there's the bar. Yeah, that one. And yeah, I'm about to go take a bus. And yeah. And then there's all these cool this looks like people. There's stickers. And there's outside. Okay, my family's almost done. I hear them. Bye.
Please pull yellow cord when approaching your stop.
All right, we just finished with our little half day in Key West. What'd you think?
It was hot.
Yeah, very
We
hot.
gotta come back when it's cooler.
Yeah, heat index is like 104 today. Luckily, it was overcast for most of the time.
It was poor because of the humidity.
Yeah.
So
Cody and I walked down along where the Naval Air Station is, the Coast Guard cutter. There's a really cool park for kids down there. A little water. It's got water features, water fountains that the kids can play in, slides, and then there's like a jungle gym type part of it too. And Kelly has a little tip for you while you're in Key West.
the best way to get around is the free city bus. Air conditioning, I would not pay for these little tours that take you around where you can get on and off because they are open air and hot. The city bus is free and pretty much makes a good loop, and you only have to wait 15 minutes on each bus to come through if you don't catch it on a schedule. But I pulled up my Google Maps and looked up the Duval loop, and I was able to follow when the schedule was wherever we stopped to let them walk on. I was able to know when the next one was able to coming up, so it was really easy. And then it brought me right back to this parking lot on Duval Street. It's fantastic.
Yeah, and we paid in one of these little paid parking lots. It's like $30 for
Probably
what,
a
6
fortune,
hours,
but yeah.
something like that. Which I know is a little bit more than most parking lots.
But with a big truck like this in downtown Key West, you kind of have to. This parking lot was empty this morning when we got here. We might could have found us cheaper one, $20, $25, but it'd probably been tough to get in and out down there today at this time.
Not a big deal, and we're right. Oh
the
man,
Butterfly
we're
Conservatory.
Yeah, Butterfly Conservatory.
Corner of Duval and Catherine, I believe.
And we're right at the southernmost point sign,
Yep.
which is kind of cool. Quite a few shops in this little area, coffee bars, restaurants, and then of course we
Right
walked
out
all
Duval
the way
Street.
down Duval and shopped and ate and just saw
Had a
all
great
kinds of
lunch on
cool
the
stuff.
water.
Yeah, it was really neat.
So
half
you
day.
can walk all the way down, and then you can bus back if you want to, like we did, because we were burning up.
Yeah.
So
We don't have a lot of interest in staying in Key West very long, but we
No.
wanted to come down and see it and
Say
that
we've been.
Yeah, say we've been. We got our little sticker
We'll
to put on the cooler.
check off the box. So
So now we're going to try to go to Bahia Honda State Park and enjoy a little swimming this afternoon. We'll see you next time out on the Mewve.